Hello friends, I am Balasaheb Niudinge, Assistant Teacher of Sri Dokeshwar Vidyalaya, Takri Dokeshwar. First welcome in the 10th standard subject Mathematics Part 1, 5th unit Probability. We know that in the previous lecture or in the previous video we have studied introduction of probability, random experiment and outcomes. Now what is meant by random experiment? The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but we cannot be predicted with certainty, and such experiments are known as random experiment. Outcome of a random experiment, the result of a random experiment is called outcome. So these are the two basic concepts which we have studied in the previous lecture. Now today we are going to study what is meant by a sample space. Now what is a sample space? The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. Outcome म्हणजे काय आपण पाहिलं? रिझल्ट ऑफ अ रॅन्डम एक्सपेरिमेंट. रॅन्डम एक्सपेरिमेंट आपण मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण पाहिले. टॉसिंग अ कॉइन, थ्रोइंग अ फेअर डाय, पिकिंग अ कार्ड फ्रॉम अ पॅक ऑफ 52 प्लेइंग कार्ड्स etc. And in each random experiment the result of a random experiment is called outcome, and such outcomes, if we collect all such outcomes and write in a curly bracket, then that set is called a sample space. That is the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by capital S or omega. Each element of a sample space is called a sample point. नमुना घटक, मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला नमुना घटक असं म्हणतो. Each element, प्रत्येक सदस्य, सॅम्पल स्पेस मधल्या प्रत्येक घटकाला त्या ठिकाणी सॅम्पल पॉइंट असं म्हणायचं. Sample points are denoted by E1, E2, E3, E4 dash 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 En or omega 1, omega 2 dash 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 omega 3. The number of elements in the set S is denoted by Ns. N means number of elements and S means sample space. Number of elements in sample space S, and it is denoted by N of S. If N of S is finite, then the sample space is called finite sample space. We know that in 9th standard we have already studied set, chapter set, and in set, finite set, infinite set we have already studied. So finite set like finite sample space. So if Ns is finite, then the sample space is called finite sample space. Now let us study some examples of sample space. See, this is the table or chart on the page number 117. So please observe this table and write in your notebook. So first random experiment, a coin is tossed. एक नाणे फेकणे हा रॅन्डम एक्सपेरिमेंट जर आपण या ठिकाणी घेतला तर सॅम्पल स्पेस काय येईल? sample space S is equal to HT, because there are two possible outcomes. Either we get a head or we get a tail. Head means chapa, a tail means kata. So S is equal to HT. So number of sample points NS is equal to 2. A die is thrown. एक फासा टाकला. आपल्याला माहिती आहे सापशिडी खेळताना आपण डायचा वापर करतो. There are 6 faces for a die. On the first face there is a 1 dot, on the second face there is a 2 dot, and so on. So either we get a 1 or we get a 2 or 3 or we get 4 or 5 or 6. So S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So NS is equal to 6. 2 coins are tossed. 2 नाणे एकाच वेळेला टॉस केले किंवा एक नाणे दोनदा टॉस केले. Then there are 4 possible outcomes. 4 possible outcomes, and set of all possible outcomes is called a sample space. So a sample space S is equal to HH. On both surfaces we get HH, or we get HT or TH or TT. So sample space S is equal to HH, HT, TH or TT. So NS is equal to 4. 3 coins are tossed. So S is equal to HH. Either we get head on all 3 coins. So HHH or HHT, and vary the T in middle or in the first coin. So HTH, THH, or HTT, then vary H in middle and last coin. So THT, TTH and TTT. So if we toss 3 coins simultaneously or 1 coin tossed 3 times, then the sample space S is equal to HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. So NS is equal to 8. See that if we toss a 1 coin, then NS is equal to 2, that is 2 raised to 1. Coin is tossed 1 time, so 2 raised to 1 is equal to. If we toss a coin 2 times, then NS is equal to 2 raised to 2, that is 4. And if we toss a coin 3 times, then NS is equal to 2 raised to 3, that is NS is equal to 8. Fifth random experiment, 2 dice are thrown. We know that if we throw a 1 die, then S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sample space, 6 sample points. So if we toss 2 dice, then S is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. See here in the first row, if we fix number on the first die 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and vary the number on the second die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 6 sample points, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly, observe the second row. If we fix a number on the first die 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and vary the number on the second die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we get 6 sample points 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Similarly, we get 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Similarly, we get 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Similarly, we get 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Similarly, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So, we get 6 into 6, that is 36 sample points in a sample space. Yes, so NS is equal to 36. Sixth random experiment. A card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers 1 to 25. 1 ते 25 नंबर लिहिलेल्या कार्डांच्या संचातून एक कार्ड काढणे. So we get any number out of 1 to 25. So there are 25 possibilities. So S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24, 25. So N is equal to 25. Here N is equal to 25. Last random experiment. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. 52 पत्त्यांच्या पिसलेल्या कॅट मधून एक पत्ता काढणे. We know that in a pack of 52 playing cards there are 4 suits: diamond, spade, heart and club. In diamond there are 13 cards: ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen and king. These are the 13 cards. Similarly, in spade there are also 13 cards. In heart there are also 13 cards. In club there are also 13 cards. So 13 into 4 is equal to 52 sample points. So NS is equal to 52. So in this way, these are some examples of random experiments, their sample space and their number of sample points. Now let's note that the sample space for a coin tossed twice is the same as that of 2 coins tossed simultaneously. एक कॉइन दोनदा टॉस करणे यासाठी असणारा जो सॅम्पल स्पेस आहे तोच सॅम्पल स्पेस 2 टॉईस एकाच वेळेला टॉस करण्यासाठी जो सॅम्पल स्पेस आहे तो दोन्हींचा सारखाच आहे. असंच 3 कॉइन साठी आहे. द सेम इज ट्रू फॉर 3 कॉइन्स. दॅट इज द सॅम्पल स्पेस फॉर a coin tossed thrice is the same as that of the 3 coins tossed simultaneously. The sample space for a die rolled twice is the same as 2 dice rolled simultaneously. एक डाय दोनदा रोल करणे यासाठी जो सॅम्पल स्पेस आहे तोच सॅम्पल स्पेस 2 डाय एकाच वेळेला फेकणे यासाठी आहे. आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी एक डाय दोनदा फेकणे म्हणजेच 2 डाय एकाच वेळेला फेकणे. एक कॉइन दोनदा फेकणे म्हणजेच 2 कॉइन एकाच वेळेला फेकणे किंवा एक कॉइन 3दा फेकणे म्हणजेच 3 कॉइन एकाच वेळेला फेकणे. हे सर्व रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट सारखेच आहेत आणि त्यांचे सॅम्पल स्पेस देखील सारखेच आहेत. Now consider the practice set 5.2. Consider the first example of practice set 5.2. For each of the following experiments, write the sample space S and number of sample points in S. आपल्याला खालील प्रत्येक रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट साठी सॅम्पल स्पेस S लिहायचा आहे. यस, सॅम्पल स्पेस अँड नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉइंट्स एन एस. आणि त्याच्या सॅम्पल स्पेसमध्ये किती सॅम्पल पॉईंट्स आहेत ते आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहायचं. फर्स्ट रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. एक कॉइन आणि एक डाय एकाच वेळेला टाकली किंवा फेकली. We have studied already, 1 coin is tossed, 2 coins tossed, or 1 die is tossed, or 2 die are thrown. But this random experiment is mix 1 coin and 1 die. Answer. Now see here, we know that if 1 coin is tossed, then sample space is HT, and if 1 die is thrown, then the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if we combine both random experiment, then sample space S is equal to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. See, observe the first 6 sample points. If we fix head on the first coin and vary the number on the die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we get H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. Similarly, H6. Similarly, if we fix a tail on the first coin and vary the number on the die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, then we get all these 12 sample points, that is 12 possible outcomes, and the set of all these 12 possible outcomes is called a sample space. Yes, so NS is equal to 12. Now second random experiment, 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. Now see here, you know that in a 2-digit number there are 2 places, first unit place and second 10 place. Now see here, 2-digit numbers are formed using the digits 2, 3, 5. So if we fix a digit at the 10 place and vary the remaining numbers in the unit place, then we get a sample space in this way. See here, sample space S is equal to 2, 3, 2, 5. See, at the 10 place digit 2 is fixed, and at the unit place remaining numbers are varied. So 2, 3, 2, 5. Similarly, if we fix digit 3 at the 10 place and vary the remaining numbers at the unit place, then 3, 2, 3, 5. Similarly, 5, 2, 5, 3. So 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5, 3. Repetition of digit is not at all. So there is a no 2, 2, 5, 5 or 3, 3. So sample space S is equal to 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5, 3. So NS is equal to 6. There are 6 possible outcomes. consider the second example of practice set 5.2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stops. See, this is the disc and this is the arrow. ही या ठिकाणी तपकडी आहे आणि हा तपकडीवरील arrow आहे. If you rotate this arrow about a center, then this arrow maybe stops on any color, and there are 6 colors on the disc. The arrow can stop on any of the colors, and there are 6 colors: red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color and purple color. So S is equal to, in curly bracket, red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple. So sample space S is equal to red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple. So NS is equal to 6, therefore NS is equal to 6. Next example, in the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. See the given page of the calendar. See, this is the page of calendar of March 2019. You know that multiple dates of date 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And the corresponding day of date 5 is Tuesday. Corresponding day of date 10 is Sunday. Corresponding day of date 15 is Friday. Corresponding day of date 20 is Wednesday. Corresponding day of date 25 is Monday. And the corresponding day of date 30 is Saturday. So Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday, these are the corresponding dates of date 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 respectively. Therefore, sample space S is equal to Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. So NS is equal to 6. There are 6 dates. So NS is equal to 6. Consider the fourth and last example of practice set 5.2. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys B1 B2 and 2 girls G1 G2. The name of first boy B1, name of second boy say B2, name of first girl say G1 and name of the second girl say G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. A committee of 2 boys B, committee of 2 girls C, committee of 1 boy and 1 girl, for example first committee B1 G1, and lastly sample space. दोघांची रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी या ठिकाणी आपल्याला बनवायची आहे. त्यासाठी 4 सदस्य दिलेले आहेत, 2 मुलं आणि 2 मुली. 2 मुलांची नावं घेतली आपण, समजा B1 B2 आणि 2 मुलींची नावं घेतली समजा आपण G1 G2. In solution, now see here committee of 2 boys. Now see there are only 2 boys and committee of 2 is to be formed. So committee of 2 boys is B1 B2. So there is only one committee we can form. Then committee of 2 girls, there are only 2 girls, so only one committee we can form, G1 G2. A committee of 1 boy and 1 girls. See here first committee B1 G1. If we vary girl one time, we get B1 G2, and then if we vary boys B2 and then again vary girl, then we get B2 G1 and B2 G2. So B1 G1, B2 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2. So these are the 4 committees, and if we collect all these, we get a sample space S. So sample space S is equal to B1 B2 first committee, G1 G2 second committee, and remaining these 4 committees B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2. So yes, sample space S is equal to B1 B2, G1 G2, B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2. So in this way we can write the sample space S and sample points in S. So we stop here. Thank you. धन्यवाद. आपण याच ठिकाणी थांबूया. आज आपण या ठिकाणी सॅम्पल स्पेस S आणि नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉइंट्स इन S, नमुना घटकांची संख्या, हे या ठिकाणी आज आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ आपणास जर आवडलेला असेल तर आपण नक्की लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा आणि माझ्या चॅनलला या ठिकाणी सबस्क्राईब करा. सबस्क्राईब किंवा कमेंट केल्याने आमचा त्या ठिकाणी आत्मविश्वास आणि व्हिडिओ बनवण्यासाठी जी ऊर्जा आहे ती मिळत राहते. धन्यवाद.